Hi everyone, a very good evening. Today I am going to deal the adverb. What is an adverb? A word that qualifies a verb, an adjective, another adverb or a preposition is called an adverb. For example, he runs fast. This fast is qualifying runs. He is quite an intelligent man. This quiet is qualifying intelligent, that is adjective. Geeta can speak very fast. Here, this very is qualifying fast, which is an adverb itself. So, very is also an adverb. The plane has flown right round the world. Right is qualifying the preposition round, and so it is adverb. Remember that an adverb can qualify not merely individual words but also an entire assertive sentence. Once again, to repeat, an adverb can qualify not merely individual words but also an entire assertive sentence. For example, here it stands at the beginning of the sentence. That means here it is used at the beginning of the sentence. For example, unfortunately, I met an accident. This term, unfortunately, is qualifying the whole sentence, I met an accident. There are certain exceptions also. As a general rule, an adverb does not qualify a noun or pronoun, but sometimes we find so, qualifying a noun or pronoun. Some cases it does so. For example, even torture could not break his spirit. Even, this is an adverb and it is qualifying the noun torture. Similarly, only you tell the truth. This only an adverb, it is qualifying you tell the truth. You is a pronoun. Now, kinds of adverb. According to use, adverbs are divided into 4 classes, that is simple adverbs, interrogative adverbs, adverb of affirmation or negation, then relative adverbs. Simple adverbs are those adverbs which are used to modify the meaning of a verb, an adjective or an adverb itself. Interrogative adverbs, these are the adverbs which are used to ask questions. For example, when, where, what, why, how long, how far, how often, how much, how many, how. These are all interrogative adverbs. They are used to ask questions. Next one is adverbs of affirmation or negation. Yes, yeah, no, not, may not, at all, by all means, after all, etc. are the adverbs of this category. These adverbs, they affirm or negate the fact. Affirm or negate the facts. The last is relative adverbs. Relative adverbs are those adverbs which relate to some antecedent understood or expressed. These adverbs join the two sentences. They are same words like interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs when, where, what, why, how long, how far, how often, how much, how many, how. Similarly, these adverbs are also used as relative adverbs, but they differ in use and function. These relative adverbs are formed with the help of relative pronouns: what, where, when, why, how far, how often, how much, how many, how long, etc. They are same like interrogative adverbs but differ in use. Now, simple adverbs and interrogative adverbs. Both the adverbs are divided in 6 classes. There are 6 classes: adverb of time, simple adverb of time, interrogative adverb of time. Simple adverb of place, interrogative adverbs of place. Simple adverbs of affirmation or negation, interrogative adverbs of interrogation, affirmation and negation. Then simple relative adverbs, interrogative relative adverbs. These have been divided. Next is adverb of simple adverb of quantity or extent or degree, interrogative adverb of quantity, extent or degree. Then adverb of manner, simple adverb of manner, quality or state, interrogative adverb of manner, quality or state. Last one is simple adverb of reason or cause, interrogative adverb of reason or cause. Now coming one by one. Simple adverb of time. Some adverbs like now, then, before, since, ago, already, soon, lately, never, late, early, today, daily, instantly, formerly, etc. are simple adverb of time, and interrogative adverb of time. Interrogative adverbs of time are when and how long. Simple adverb of place are here, there, in, out, far, near, above, below, up, away, backward, forward, everywhere, under, outside. And interrogative adverbs of place are where and whither. Simple adverb of number or frequency are once, twice, again, seldom, never, often, always, sometimes. And interrogative adverb of number and frequency, number or frequency are how many, how often. Next, simple adverb of manner or quality or state are thus, so, well, ill, badly, probably, certainly, conveniently, amiss. An interrogative adverb of manner, quality or state are how. For example, how did you solve it? How are you? First one is showing manner, second one is showing how are you, is showing state. Next is simple adverb of quantity or extent or degree. The words like very, much, to, half, quite, almost, rather, somewhat, partly, wholly, little, a little, the little. These are simple adverb of quantity or extent or degree. And interrogative adverb of quantity, extent or degree are how far, how much. The last one is adverb of reason or cause. Simple adverb of a reason or cause are hence, therefore, so, consequently. And interrogative adverbs of reason or cause are why, what, makes, etc. Here one point is to be remembered. Some adverbs may belong to more than one class. For example, she sings delightfully. Here delightfully expresses manner. The weather is delightfully cool. Here degree. Don't go far. Here this far is expressing place. He is far better now. This far is expressing degree. So this was in short, and in my next class I shall be going in detail regarding all these one by one. Thank you.